Good morning, Shemstars. Today we will start with chapter number 10. Name of this chapter is Images, Links and Frames in HTML5, in which we will understand how to insert an image, linking web pages, anchor tag, links as buttons, images as links, and how to insert audio and video. Let us start with our first program. I've already typed this for you. I'm showing you this in Notepad. You can check this program. See this HTML program. The first one is head. In this, I'm using style. Type is equal to text CSS. I'm using background color as yellow. And I will be aligning this paragraph in right direction. So you can check here. I've used this tag for inserting an image. Main tag is img, where img stands for image, src stands for source, and this is path of this image. Now from where I got this? For this, let me show you. I will go to my PC, and here in pictures, I've got a set of pictures here. Let's say I want to use this flower. Right click on it, open with, and then Internet Explorer. You will check here that full path is given on the top in address bar. Right click on it, copy, and then you can paste it here in your file. Here you can paste. Right click on it and then you can paste here. Now I've used here to override the previous one. Style is equal to height 25% and width also 25% because size of our image was quite large, so I reduced its size. Save this file, minimize it. Our P1, that is program 1 file, is here. Double click on it and you can check here. Background is yellow. We have reduced size of this image and this is aligned to right. If you want to change, then you can write here instead of this left. Save your file, go back to your browser and you can check here. Now this image is on left side. One more attribute is related to this image, and that is alt. Alt is equal to, let's say I'm writing here flower. I'm saving it. Right now there won't be any effect of adding this attribute to it. Nothing is happening. It will come in effect when there is a problem in this path. In case we remove this file from its original position, or there is some problem here in writing. Let's say I'm just erasing G from here. I'm saving it. Now this is an improper path, or let's assume that this file is not there. Then you can check here then that this file is not available, right? Now in that case your alt must work. Let's check, and you can check here that flower is written with no image here, right? So this comes into role when the image path is not correct. Now let's proceed further with our next program. You can check here. Now I've used a table, and in that table you can check here, table border is equal to 2 pixels. TR is our first row and we are closing TR here. It means this is our first row. In this first row we are having two columns. This is first column and this is second column. We define column as TD, and within that same thing we have inserted. This is img src is equal to user admin, and all this path is here, which I told you how to copy and paste. Same type of image I have placed everywhere. So this is our first row, second and third, and here are table ends. If you want to have a look here, style is again CSS, background is yellow, and text alignment is right. Save this file and then go back to your program, open it with Internet Explorer, and you can check here. I'm just reducing its size, and this is in form of a table in which 3 rows are given here and 2 columns, and in each of the cell we have placed this image. If you want to replace this image with any other, then you can do that as well. You can go to any of the picture, you can select any of the picture. Let's say I'm selecting this one, open it with Internet Explorer, copy this image, and then back to your file, and let's assume that we are okay, I'm changing this path, save it, and then back to your programs, open with Internet Explorer, and you can check here that here we have inserted another image. So this is how it works. You can also decrease its width and height. Now next thing is next program of ours. Here you can check, this is our third program. Same I've used this text CSS, and this time I'm using pink color, and text align is equal to right. And now we are using a tag, where A stands for anchor and href stands for hyperlink reference. Now what we are going to do here, we will be clicking on this text and then it will open this reference. Let me show you how. Save it. So here is a file, open it with Internet Explorer, and you can check here. So this is a link, hyperlink reference. So this is the meaning of anchor tag. Click on it and you can check here that this file opens. Again back. So now it's clear that if you want to create a hyperlink reference, then you will be typing anchor tag and closing this anchor tag as well. And to create a link, you have to write the path of this file. Now we know that this same folder lies here only. What I want to say is that P2 file lies here only within this folder. So there is no need to write full path. You just need to write p2.html and that's enough. Otherwise, if its location is somewhere else, then you have to write full path and then click here to open file. So there are two types of hyperlink reference. First one is internal and second is external. Right now this is external file which we are going to link. So this is external. Similarly, if you want to write here any path, like let's say that I'm writing here google.com, I will just use copy and paste it here, save it, and click on this, save it here, and this is p3 file, open with Internet Explorer. We had to refresh. This is the reason why I've opened it again. Click on it and it will take some time and it will open Google. You can check here. right? So this is also external linking only, but when you are using some text which is within this page only, then it is called internal, right? So let's proceed with next program of ours, and that is here. We are going to explain the other attributes of anchor tag. I'm opening it in Notepad. So these are the attributes. I've used same program, same file I'm linking with it, but here you can check that I've changed a few things. Now what are these? Link, its by default link color is red and it is overline. It means a line will appear on the top. When visited, its color will change to yellow, and when I will place my mouse on it, it is called hover, then its color will change to purple, and when it's active at that time it's green in color. Now let's check how this will look like. I will open it here. Let's say I'm just double clicking on it to open it in here. You can now check that there is what? A yellow color. So yellow color is for visited. We have already visited this page, and when you hover on it, it will change to purple color. When I click on it, it will change to green color, and you can check here green color was for active. It means it was active when I clicked on it. So these are the things which you can notice. So these are the different colors which I used for link, visited, hover and active. Now let's proceed with another program of ours, program number 5. Again, same file I'm linking. There's no change in this code, but I've clubbed these two things, a link and a visited. Their background color is pink. Why? Because I want a button or background color for a button. For that, we are using background color pink and text color as white. And when I will hover on it, at that time, its active color will be red, right? So I'm just using this. I'm saving it. Let's move back to our file, and you can check its color is pink, and when I hover my mouse button on it, at that time it changes to red. Click on it and this P2 file is with us back, and you can check here this is a button with a color. So if you want to create such a kind of colored button, then this is your coding, in which you can use background color is equal to, and whatever color you like you can get that, right? So this was our program. What's next? So right click, open with Notepad, and this is our next program, in which we can use any image, right? This is an image which we have tagged within, nested within this anchor tag. href is equal to p2.html. This was an old one. This is closing an anchor tag, and within it we have inserted one image, and this image is computer, whose height I have reduced to 20%, width to 10%. Let's find out. We are opening it with Internet Explorer, and you can check here. This is an image which is now acting as a hyperlink. So no doubt you can use a text as hyperlink, you can use a button for hyperlink, or you can use an image as hyperlink. Click on it and same thing is happening again and again, right? So these are three things which we have done. First we did with text, second we did with a button, and third we did with this image. Now there are two things which are more in list. One is audio and another one is video. So this is a small tag with which you can control your audio. It's simple. It's audio controls src is equal to, and this file I've placed within this folder only. You can check here travel.mp3 so that there is no error of path at least. So I've placed it here in the same folder, and click to listen audio. Whatever you want to write you can, but right now I wanted to write this, that click to listen audio, and then you can close this tag. Now let's open this file and check. You can okay, was about it, allow block content. If such kind of error appears, then you can allow the block content, and you can click on here, and this music will start playing, and you can control this audio from here. You can decrease or increase its volume from here. In a similar manner, we've got the last program of ours in today's list, and that is how to control video. Again, a small code, you can check it here. Video controls, instead of audio controls I'm using just video controls, and end up with this video tag. Here this is a file which is mp4 format. You can check here, I've again placed this file here. It is travelvideo.mp4. you can check here, travelvideo.mp4. click to watch this video. You can change this text as per your wish, and right click on it, open with Internet Explorer. Again you can see about it, allow block content, and you can check here, this is the video which I have inserted, and these are the controls which by default a browser provides us. And here you can click here, and another control is this, that you can either increase or decrease its volume, and third control is full screen, right? So you can enjoy the playing of all these videos and audios and inserting it in your web page. So that's it today. So today we were able to understand inserting image, inserting a link, anchor tag, and how to use images as links, how to insert links as a button, and how to insert a video and audio. Thank you, Shem Stars. That's all for today. You can drop your queries on the Google Classroom. Take care.